Hi, my name is Miles Schneider, and you probably got to this video because you're trying to get an answer to the question whether or not you should talk to the police. Well, the simple answer to that question is no. Now, of course, if you're calling the police for help because you're in trouble, someone's out to get you, somebody stole something, you got in a car accident, absolutely, talk to the police. I mean, that's why they're there. But if the police call you up and they want to talk to you about a crime that's been committed, and you feel that you're a target of the investigation, then the answer to the question is no. Do not talk to the police unless you have an attorney like myself present. Look, the simple thing to do is just politely decline to talk to them. Say that you would like to talk to your attorney first and have your attorney present during questioning. And of course, it's your right to have an attorney present during questioning. But the question that a lot of people ask is, well, the police asked me a question, and I answered it, but they didn't read me my Miranda rights. Well, your Miranda warning, you're only entitled to a Miranda warning if you're in custodial interrogation. In other words, if you're in custody or you're in a situation with the police where you don't feel free to leave. You're handcuffed in the back of a police car, and then they start interrogating you about a certain subject which may make you liable for a crime, then they have to read you Miranda. But they call you up on the phone, they walk up to you in the street, they knock on your door and ask you a bunch of questions, and you give them incriminating evidence, they don't have to read you Miranda. You're free to talk to them as much as you're free not to talk to them. So if you ever think that you are a target in a criminal investigation, you have the right to remain silent. You have a right to have a lawyer present during questioning. So again, politely decline. There's no reason to be rude to the police. Some police may take offense to that and may be more aggressive in their interrogation. Also remember that you do not have to let the police into your home. In fact, don't. If you let the police into your home without a warrant, then they don't need one to obtain evidence. For example, they knock on the door, you open the door, they ask if they can come in, you say yes. You have a roach in your ashtray on the coffee table in plain view. Now they've investigated. If it's in plain view and you have marijuana, which is a crime, now they can arrest you, and then they can continue their search incident to an arrest. Again, don't let the police in unless they have a warrant. Don't talk to the police unless you have a lawyer present. And if you have any questions about it, you should feel free to call a lawyer. Most lawyers will give you free advice on the phone the first time you consult with them. You feel free to call me at 602-926-7373.